Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I would like to welcome to all of you on the channel English Literature. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is academic integrity. First, we have to clear that what is academic integrity. We are going to talk about an important subject for the students in American schools or English medium schools, that is academic integrity. In American schools, students are expected to do their own work and not copy from other students or from books or other sources. You have probably been in classes where some students did this. When teacher was not looking, they look at another student's paper. Or maybe you have seen someone do this when they were taking a test. They wrote notes or answers on a small piece of paper and took it out to look at during the test. For example, if a student wrote his notes on his arm and hid them under his shirt, these are all actions that happen in schools all over the world, including in the US, in the Pakistan, and India. But in the US, they are not acceptable. Students are taught to do their own work even if it is good or not. American students and especially English medium students are taught that it is better to get a bad grade for your own work than to get a high grade for dishonest work. Academic integrity is about being honest and doing your own work in all situations, as I have mentioned this point over there. This applies to online classes too. When a student has an assignment to turn in online, it's easy to use other websites to help to do that assignment. But if a student is supposed to write an essay and she copies from a book or website, she is cheating. This is not acceptable. In many classrooms, this is not ever acceptable, and it's not acceptable here too. Copy and paste is easy to do, but it does not help you learn how to write. In American colleges or English medium colleges, it can get you into trouble. You signed up here or open this video because you want to learn to write essays in English or you want to improve your writing. You can only learn to write if you practice it yourself. So do your own work. Improve, be successful. This will help you to improve your writing. Now I hope what is academic integrity is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Keep remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.